Welcome to Loserville. Population, you.
Mister has already made it.
Don't overthink it. Useless. Surrender, swine!
Crazy guy incoming!
Forget about it! Technology is your friend. Well, not your friend. Bullets! How convenient. You know, we should probably explain to the player how our teleporter works.
It runs on kitten farts.
No, really. All the nerds out there will want to know.
Fine. For the purposes of creating an entertaining mechanic that players can employ to achieve an optimal amount of fun factor, we limited our teleporter to a shorter range than usual.
Yay! I hate waiting. Recharge faster! Ooh, shiny! Hey again, little buddy. You taking me to Rogue? Checklist. Pain. Broke.
FYI for all you nerds out there getting all puffy over the fact that Rogue in the comics currently does not have the power to fly. Well, you can officially move out of your parents' basement, get a job and a life, and maybe just maybe you'll kiss a real girl.
Yeah! She flies in our game! Well, hot damn, there's Rogue. That mutt did lead us to her. I owe him a treat. Hold up! I got an idea. Rogue will be so impressed when I save her. Hey, player! You coming or what? Dumbass. Move that camera and find me.
That'll blow up real nice.
Oh, I see. We're planting bombs. All right, only 2 more to go. You mess with the bull, you get the hammer! Wait, that doesn't make sense. This just might be a little overkill. I'm sneaking up on you.